Unboxing the FUNMAT HT is fairly easy, and it should only take you a few steps. First, remove all the protections, then carefully pull out the machine from the box. Make sure to put it on a stable table. Then carefully check all the accessories according to the list provided and make sure none is missing nor broken. In order to remove the inside protection of the machine, turn on the printer, press Settings, Other Settings, drop down the build plate. Wait a few seconds for the build plate to be completely down, then remove the protection by pushing it downwards as shown in the video. You can now remove the axis screws. The unboxing is done.